So we're out here in Paoli, PA. This is a bald-faced hornet nest. Just walking on the deck, set them off. I got my glasses on this time, but I can definitely feel their wrath. Nice neighborhood here. August the 29th, 2016. We're going to get started here. So hopefully you enjoy. This is a dangerous spot. Got the view from above the vacuum this time. Neighborhood. Basketball court. So nice neighborhood. Nice little town. It's a Monday afternoon. It's about 2:30. Got here around 2:15, took about 15 minutes to get situated. See how many more are in there. Most of them swarmed out. It's a hot one, about 91 degrees out here today. This is a real problem. Anybody walking up here on this deck vibrates it and they go off. And most of them already got sucked up. First few minutes is always the most chaotic. Well, at least these guys never try to latch on to me. If this was an Aquilophan's nest, they'd be all over my arms, on my veil. And these are just spears on nervous, but at least they don't latch on with their mandibles. This is a rental property, got 2 apartments. It's just a deck up here, but I wouldn't be able to use it. Spiral staircase to access this deck. I'll resume it once I open the thing up. Alright, have a good one. And here's the inside. 3 combs. And for those who haven't seen other videos, or have seen other videos, here's the catch. Soapy water. Just drown in there. And there's still some more I gotta vacuum up returning, but I'll be done shortly. That's why I leave the combs there. Suck them up like that. And I should be here another 20 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes, and then be all done. So yeah, have a good rest of the day. Alright, so I'm pretty much done, and here's the catch. And if you look closely, you can see actually the gaster of a yellow jacket there. It's a vestibule squamosa, so I actually call it a southern yellow jacket. It was a worker returning that I vacuumed up that had captured the yellow jacket for food. And there's actually another gaster there. So I caught that one squamosa. Right here, you can see, so that's kind of cool. I killed that southern yellow jacket.